Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 4 of the best free PLR sites online. Now, before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not consider sharing? This way other people can get the benefit of the video too. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are at the first one we're going to be looking at, which is free PLR downloads. Now, if you look through free PLR downloads, every one of these are actually free to use. Now, that's the best part about it. And now you also have over here on the left hand side, if you go over here you can see all the different niches that you can look at. You can go for addiction, advertising, affiliate marketing, Amazon, article marketing, baby boomers, and a whole bunch of others. So let's have a look at internet marketing, because that's obviously the biggest one right now, as well as self-help. So let's go down here and have a look down at some of these. So 7 infamous resale rights questions, free PLR ebooks, the affiliate marketer's handbook. All right, let's have a quick look at this one here. Yeah, well, let's have a look at that one there. Now, they obviously have advertising as how they get their revenue, so that is probably how they do it. So you can just click off that once you see the ad, and you can scroll down to where the license is. Now, I want to show you something here. For you to be able to get the download that you're actually after, they come up with all these different things that they advertise with. Now, this one here is an advertisement for the one above it. Now, what you're actually after is this blue one right here. And the blue one that turns black, that is the actual download link. So you click on that one, and that will allow you to download it wherever you want it. Now, if I want to download that to my desktop, we're going to do that. We're going to just go download that to the desktop, and we're going to open when done. This will move it out of my Dropbox. And before I do, I'm going to just get this one and I'm going to extract it over here on my other screen. There we are. Affiliate Marketer's Handbook. I'll just go and find it on the other screen. Alright, here it is. Let me just bring that up. I'm just going to double click on that. Now, the first thing we want to look at is the license. Now, that's always your first step, because your license tells you what you can and can't do. So let's have a quick look at this license. Alright, so we can be sold. Okay, it pretty much gives you, from what I can see, unrestricted PLR rights. Can be sold to auction sites. Yeah, it looks like you can do anything you want here, including can be sold, can be edited. That's what you're looking for. So this one here, in fact, I can even put this one on my website if I wish to. Okay, so that's called. So yeah, this is a really good one. They will also give you a source file if you want to have a look at that, and you can have a quick look at the source file and determine whether or not that is what you want. Quick look. And the best part about having it in a source file is you can actually change the article around, and you can change the ebook around however you want it. It's good to see you've got legal notices just here, and down here you can also have a look at what's actually in the ebook. So you can go through and have a quick look at it, and you can decide on what you want to do. Now, let's have a quick look at this, see whether it's clickable. No, it's not. Okay, cool. Alright, so what I would suggest you do is start editing this straight away. And this way, you can make it 100% unique to you. Now, my suggestion would be you can do it one of two ways. You can either go through paragraph by paragraph, editing every paragraph as you go through, or you can do what other people do, and that is use an article spinner, like article spin rewriter, which by the way will be in the card above. And I would strongly suggest grab that, and you can use it to spin the article. Of course, you'll need to reread through it to make sure it is how you like it. But yeah, grab your spin rewriter, as I said, in the card above, if you want to see how that's used, and then you can go ahead and spin the article or change it up. What I personally prefer to do is I prefer to go, what I normally do is I get this and I'll literally highlight over the top of that. I'll bold it up. I'll also highlight it to let me know this is the one I'm going to be changing. Then I'll go down to here, and then I will begin a brand new paragraph there, and then I will literally change that entire paragraph. Now, this is not about how to edit right now, so I'm not going to be showing you how to do that, just for the sake of time for this video. So let's now head on over to the next site. Alright, site number 2 is plrdatabase.net. Now, you have a free section, so I'll leave the link for the free section down below, and it'll allow you to be able to get to the free articles and the free PLR products just down below, ebooks, etc. So you can have a look through here. You've got one for Facebook marketing, Unleashed. You can go through and have a look at some of the free ones they've got here. They don't have a huge array of free ones, but let's have a look at what they've got here. How to build a huge mailing list. Okay, let's click on that. And of course, you can download it from here. So you can download the full version here. You can download it here, go to wherever it is you want to save it. How to build a huge mailing list as simple as possible. Okay, so you can go there. And it's a simple matter of downloading, and then if you want to, you can then extract it. I'm sorry, I'm going to just drag that one over here. Drag that over here, and to extract it, all you have to do is right click, go over here to where it says extract all. That'll bring this dialog box up, and then all you have to do is hit extract. Now, I believe if you're on a Mac, all you have to do is just double click on it and it extracts it for you. Really quite simple. Now let's keep going. So that's all you really have to do with this one. It's quite simple, quite easy. And you also have other things here, like you've got your product tags. Say for example, you want to turn this into a video, turn it into a series of videos for YouTube, then you'll have your own list of keywords that you want to use that you can add to your list, which is really good because it gives it to you straight away. Okay, so the next site we're going to be looking at, site number 3, is PLR Mines. Now, PLR Mines is also one of these ones where you can get free PLR ebooks. Now, of course, not every ebook or video or that sort of thing is going to be necessarily free. Now, let's go and have a look at the type of ones they have here. Something to do with internet marketing. Alright, keep looking. Oh, we can go to the next page. Okay, cool. Okay, so we can go through and have a quick look, and then I'm just going to pause the video till I find one. Here we are. 5 profitable steps to product creation. Okay, let's have a look here. Info product creation. Let's click on that and see if this one will get me to try and share it. Here we are. Yes, this is the one. See where it says unlock to download. You either have to like or do a tweet, and it might just do a tweet in this particular case. Oh, okay, so I've already downloaded too many, so that's fine. I don't have a limit on how many I can download by the looks of it. Well, okay, we can do that one. So I can hit like. Excellent, now I can download it. And that's how you download from this particular site. You just have to do a like or a tweet, and then you can do it that way. I'm not going to be doing that right now. So let's go check out the next site. Okay, now in this particular site, which is the final site, we're looking at free PLR article directories. Now, this particular one is quite unique because all you need to do to find what you're after is go over here to the right hand side and you can go down. Now you can look for affiliate marketing, or you can go down here to internet marketing. Let's have a look for internet marketing because that's my go-to. That's the make money online niche. You want to be able to make money online, so to do that you can do that through internet marketing. So let's go down here, internet marketing. Now with these ones, they're a bit different. You don't actually download these ones. What you do on the other hand, an internet marketing lesson I learned from my 7-year-old grandson. That looks interesting. So let's have a look at that one. Now all you have to do is, you can see how many words it is. Down the bottom tells you 455 words and gives you tags, buy, doesn't, product, send, time, website, bookmark, the permanent link. Okay, so you got different things there. Now you can have a look here. A few weeks ago I watched my 7-year-old grandson Joel as he was drawing a picture of a strawberry patch. You can get this, and you can obviously, if you have any kids or grandkids, you can change it to that if you wish to make it more unique to you. And then you can just copy that and you can paste that into a, let's get rid of this, let's go to a new one, and we can go Control V. Now let's go over here to review and go over here to word count. And as you can see, it's 444 words, and as they say, oops, close, as they say in the one here, 455 words, so it's maybe a little bit under in this particular case, but that's okay. So you have a bit of a read through that, and of course you change it to how you like it to make it 100% unique to you. Now the best part about articles is you can turn them all into an ebook, and that's what makes these so powerful. Alright guys, that's all there is for this particular video. Now if you like this video, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not share? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.